Perfect number is positive integer that equals the sum of its divisors except itself. Another definition is perfect number is positive integer that is half the sum of all its divisors including itself. Prime number is only divisible by itself or 1. The formula of perfect number is 2 to the power n minus 1 multiplication 2 to the power n minus 1. Putting the value n successively 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17, 19 and 31, we get the following perfect number. Scientists can able to solve 47 perfect number. The smallest perfect number is 6, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, addition is 6. So each of these element 1, 2 and 3 is divisible by 6. So another perfect number is 28. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14, that is 28. Each element is divisible by 28. The following perfect number is as following. The smallest one is 6, 28, 496 and 8121 and the successive. Thank you.